The sympathy, antipathy is slowly. And it's a connection from the heart to the lower areas in us, represented even by the earth herself. And to start, please, we do 2 preparatory exercises. Just stand calmly upright. And now we do not for a moment, we start not at the heart, because our heart is so big, wherever we start, we are in our heart. But we start more in our upper system, where we have an experience of light. And we just slowly come down with a thought. It's I am, you go further down. And then you make a little step to left and right and feel into the earth. Here. But the thought, the sentence is, I am here. Yeah? I am here. And the ha, we are using it in the last exercise too. It's just a letting go. So now we are not actively pushing down, but just stand and use your shoulders a little bit and just open. And open towards what's there. Use this gesture to get that connection, a loving connection to what is there. Just let's dream down this I am a body, yes. And that's here. I am here. One last time without additional words by me. I am here. That's the attitude in which we do this sympathy gesture afterwards. Another thing, I mentioned it last week already, is usually we see all people who are active and we don't see the people who really carry things, or often we don't see them. And in this exercise it happens also easily. We see the leg which is moving, but the leg which is carrying we don't observe. And the trick to become slowly is that we observe the carrying leg and do not concentrate on the moving one. Yeah? So my suggestion is, I walk sideways, put one foot inside, it does not put your leg, it does not matter. And now concentrate on the foot which is in front. Feel this, or the leg, not the foot, just the whole leg, up to the hips. And then slowly make a step forward, but really just feel what is this carrying leg doing for me. Oh, nice, thank you. And then change to the other leg, which is now in front. Make a step, but all the time feel this carrying leg. Wow. Put all your intention and love into this. The other one. Make your step. Yes. And one more step. Feel the carrying leg. Yes. And stop. Just feel your legs. Now you can go backwards and repeat it once again like this, or I do it backwards now. It's the same thing in a way. And do you notice that it makes it much easier to move slowly if you don't say, I must not move the other leg quickly, but I just love the one who is carrying the whole time. So put just one foot a little bit behind the other one, and then we can start. Yes, I move and I concentrate on the carrying one. Bye-bye. I say hello to the other one. Oh, you are carrying now. Oh yeah, my hips are carrying. Feel your hips. What are they doing now? Wow. And feel your feet, the balancing what they're doing for you now. Great. They're nearly trembling, putting all their effort into helping us to walk. Feel your legs for some seconds now, please. Okay, these two things we want to combine into the sympathy antipathy movement. Just feel from your heart down into your legs. Your left leg just stays as it is. And the right leg, and it's important, that's the right leg, please. The right leg and the foot slowly move forward. And you feel it with your heart, sympathy. You let it be in front for a short time, and then you return to the center, stand upright. And again, the right leg moves backwards when we do antipathy. You withdraw the right leg towards the back. Maybe you even stretch it a bit, become upright. Antipathy. And return to the center. One more time, sympathy. You feel down to your legs, your heart connects with the movement. Sympathy. You come back to the center, towards the back. Antipathy. And you stretch. And back to the center. And if your hips already start to hurt, just don't join us now, because later on we are going to use a chair to support us. And those who still feel well, do it a third time with me. Always with the right leg. Sympathy. Return. Antipathy.